Look at what showed up. So I got this right here, as well as the bottom of the mounting bracket. This is for the Rotopax. Got extra hardware as well. It's the Rotopax. But downstairs, I got the Roam rack right here. If you're in the market for one of these, I'm sure you're familiar with how these are. But one thing that's nice is it has the hydraulics to open up. So these brackets are pretty sweet too. So just open this up and just go right into these slides. Sits perfectly flush. Mounts up to the Sherpa rack. Just make sure you don't do this. Rotopax. Comes with the keys, some hardware, and some more hardware. This comes with quite the amount of stuff. I don't really know how all this works with it. It's right here. It goes in like... Oh, look at that. So what I've come to a conclusion to is that this Rotopax mount, have it set up like this so far, and you just stick it in through, and then you tighten it. So you can mount everything up like this first. I don't know, that's just what I'm getting from it. This thing spins and that's how you tighten it. So now, I gotta mount up these bolts right here. I found the positioning. How to dent your roof, 101. So, when you're installing these, make sure you don't use these because they're too long. It's screwed in to the freaking crossbar, so make sure you're using the right hardware. I think I'll have it all the way to like right here. Then I could quickly release the gas or the pressure. You have to do that frequently, I guess, especially when you're climbing altitudes. You gotta release the pressure. Might leak a little bit every time I do it, but so on another note, I need this tool right here. These right here turn on my lights. There's something about these. Look at these. They look ugly as crap. This switch, I'm making a video here! So, this switch is for the light bar. And then I have the Toyota OEM switch. So I'll fill that in when I get it. That has a little orange light. These are supposed to be OEM switches. And it's supposed to fit right in there. I kind of want to make everything look somewhat OEM. This looks so ugly. It's just a circle and it, you know, it doesn't fit. Like, what is that? That is ugly. I'm gonna wire this up by just hitting it. Watch this. Look at that space. This is the 83-liter Roam box, and I am gonna be fitting my Coleman chair. It's pretty long. My REI tent. I'm also gonna be carrying jumpers in there. I got my tent, got the chair, jumpers, and I still got all this space. And for the most part, dude, accessing it is super simple. So in conclusion, this Roam rack fits very snug. The installation process for the most part was very simple, easy, and it leaves the rig looking mighty fine. The hydraulic system for the lid, it creates a sense of ease when accessing your items from the box. which I will test out on this upcoming trip. So stay tuned. And for the Rotopax, the installation was very tedious for the most part. I was just trying to figure out how to piece everything together, trying to put it on the roof, which is not the case. You just have to piece everything together, mount it to the rack, and then put the Rotopax on. But honestly, for the most part, these two paired together creates a sweet duo. Adds a lot of functionality with your camping, with your overlanding, with anything that you need for convenience and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna make an edit. You know, I'm quite upset. I'm having to switch SD cards from both cameras right now. I don't have the base plate to mount the camera to this thing. So my camera footage is just gonna look all shaky. This is the bad boy right here that I like to use with all my shots because this thing is, oh, it just makes camera footage look unreal. I think that just about sums up this video. Gotta get all the way over here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope I somewhat informative but mainly like to give a shout out to Sherpa Equipment. They made this thing, that cool thing right there. A super cool company out of Colorado, and I think if you want any cool rack for your car, you should hit them up because they have a great team behind them. Yeah, they're super supportive with anyone who needs help with anything. But anyways, thanks for watching today's video. Stay tuned for the desert trip that I have coming up. Off-roading this rig. I hope I don't break it, but I'm gonna be doing something of that sort in the desert. Off-roading, checking out the capabilities of the rack, the Rotopax, the ease of use, checking all that good stuff out. The next video I'll show you guys everything with this. There's already a few people who pointed out the similarities of this with someone else's video. That's actually where I got the inspiration from. But subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna be making more of this content. I'm gonna be making more Subaru content, maybe even some motorcycle content again. You know, like that's what I love, and you guys should do what you love. That's the words of wisdom for today's video. Do what you love, because I'm doing what I love. Putting all my time and effort into this thing, into vehicles, things with wheels that spin in circles to move people from one location to another. That's what I love. So, find out what you love and do what you love, because that's how you find love in your life. Like always, everybody, be so positive. Like this video, subscribe, share with your friend. Hate it, love it, like it, share it, do whatever. But most of all, till next time, peace out. Having a little intermission while I wait for this to charge.